today we're going to be washing my squishies. Alright guys, so we have the water, we have the towel, and we have the squishies. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to put 4 at a time. So the first one is going to be my squeezy strawberry, and I do have some new ones. This one is going to be last because he has to make him run by himself. He's so big. And sadly, our butter will not be getting washed today because he'll get ruined. And we don't want that for our butter because that already happened to one butter. So I'm going to put him right here where he can't get wet. Alright, this Orbeez glitter white dumpling. The ASMR is like 10 out of 10 on this. Ooh, I put warm water. So this one, I've noticed that a lot of the squishies float. And I'm going to put some Dawn dish soap. Fine, but alright, maybe that will help it get like a little bit of a clean. Probably should do this whenever I take them out. Alright, so we have that dumpling, and then we have the red dumpling. My hands are soapy. And we have a rainbow dumpling. And we have a Neato texture dumpling. So these are our 4. I'm going to scrub one and then put it out to dry. So it's a little full. So this is our first one. They're already so shiny, like I just got them. So sorry guys, this is kind of taking a long time. Then this one. That was actually simple. Guys, if y'all ever wash y'all squishies at home, like, it's really easy. All you have to do is put whatever dish soap you use into the bowl, just a little bit though, and then it'll literally turn gray. I may have filled the bowl up a little too much, but that's okay. The red one, oh my gosh, like, look at that shine. Yeah, look at that shine. Hold on. Alright, I'm going to finish this load and then we're going to get that off. Oh my gosh. Like, y'all can't really see, but like, oh my stars, that is so glittery. Oh my god. So, yeah, that was our first load. Okay guys, next is the Neato like textured ones, or all of them except the Neato Squeezer, which I love. But I have the gummy bear already in there. It's not the real Neato brand, but the Coca-Cola Neato, the Squeezer, and the Jelly Squish. Daddy, don't these look like so much newer?
They do.
I know, right?
Sparkly. Fantastic.
Alright, let's see how good these sit. May have filled it up a little too much, but oh my gosh, they feel different, like whenever they're wet. So what I saw most people do, or what I saw one person do, is they put like all of their Neatos into their bathtub, but they have a lot more Neatos than me. And they use the Bath and Body Works like shower gel thing. I don't know, like it looks like the lotion, but it's like the soap. They used that, and they said it really worked. And it scented. Okay, guys. Anyway, I love the squeeze-up. It's actually not sticky because it's wet, but once it dries off a little bit, it twisted. Hold on, let's try it again. It twisted. Alright. I'm gonna go deep for this one. Oh my gosh. I know y'all probably haven't seen this before, but the water is so dirty. It has like hair in it. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna wash this pretty blue Armis dumpling. These are all fake. Hey mom. So these are all fake, but this one is the RMS from the Shark collection. So I love it. And it needs a good wash. Whoa. That looks so cool. Alright, I have more dumplings. Alright, these 4. Or these 3, because I already have one here. This pink one. Oh! What
You
was
don't
that?
have him shrinking them legs yet. Begin to get better. This is a plus.
Oh, that's not fault, but it didn't. Okay, I have this one, Loki. I got this yellow one on my shopping spree that I went on recently. Actually, like literally, I love it.
You work out and then we'll get steaks.
And to wrap this part of it up, I have this blue glitter dumpling. Like whenever you squeeze it, it looks newer. So I will show y'all the results in just a second. Alright guys, I took those out. I added whatever I need to add back in. This video had to kind of stop a bit. I did all of that because all my squishies are clean. I can promise you that. Just make sure to like and subscribe because I will be making some more videos. If I get, we're gonna go 15 likes. I will make another cleaning video just on dumplings. And hopefully by the time I make those, I have some more dumplings.